How to prep your shoes for back on the rack. Shoes are expensive. Shoppers love to buy shoes at the sale. However, we are very picky when it comes to those shoes. Please be sure they are in excellent condition and free of dirt and smells. Clean the bottom of the shoes so they are not dirty. Dirty shoes are not accepted. Clean the top of the shoes for dirt and scuffs. A Mr. Clean Magic Eraser works great. Make sure they are not smelly, run through the wash if you can, use Febreze, and set out in the sun to kill those smells. Find a spot on the shoes to attach a zip tie or a piece of ribbon that will secure the two shoes together. Hole punch a hole through the tag, maybe even reinforcing it with tape if you need to, and attach the tag through the zip tie. Zip ties can go through shoestring holes, buckles, or the little loop on the back of the shoes. There are always a few shoes that just cannot be attached together, like flats or rain boots. For these, you can either rubber band or tie the shoes together, making sure they are attached to each other and won't become lost. We do not accept shoes in plastic bags or boxes, so please make sure that your shoes are attached together securely.